Hi, this is a video to show you basically the box opening of the Fellows Personal comb binder. It's the Starlet 2 120, which is the next model up from the original Starlet, which was quite a robust model. I've decided to upgrade to see how this model is, which I use quite a lot in and around the home. So we'll let you see what's in the box, and then we'll go ahead and make something with it just for demonstration purposes. So let's get the box opened. And as we open the box, it's easier obviously to take it out from this position. I'll just pull it out side by side. Okay, move the box out of the way. The book is also just fallen out the box there just now, which we'll have a look at in a little second or two. Take off the packaging on the sides and slide it out the wrapper. Now, that, as you can see, is a machine. It is quite heavy. There's also a book with it which tells you a little bit of instructions. When you look at the instructions, a lot of it is in different languages. The first page obviously refers to us, but anyway, knowing how it works, we'll go through the demonstration and let you see. So the first thing we want to do is, on here it has sizes A4 and A5 for your paper. It's a maximum of 10 sheets, approximately 80 grams per sheet, which is the maximum it can take for punching the holes, which I'll show you about in a second or two. On the sides, it's not this side, it's obviously on the other side here, there is a little tray which catches the little confetti pieces that fall off the paper when you punch it, the holes, which I'll show you again in a little second or two. So first things first, these are the pins, 21 pins in total, to make the little plastic, what do you call it, the little plastic comb binder thing that goes on, which I'll show you in a second or two as well. So first of all, I'm going to show you how the actual machine works. You lift the handle up, that's it ready for demonstration. I will be demonstrating how to punch some holes. I have some plain paper here which I'm just going to show you. I've set the little slider there, as you can see, moves around. We're setting it to the A4 size, which is this size of paper here. I'm going to insert it into the lip, and then what you do is you push your handle down quite firmly like so, lift the handle back up like so, and I hope you're catching this, and when you take it out you'll see the holes that have now appeared for the little plastic comb thing that goes through them, which we'll attach it to again just in a minute or two. So that's the first thing. What I was going to show you was in the side here, the little drawer that comes out, and in the little drawer there is little pieces of the confetti, as you can see. We'll just put them out there just to let you see them. And the confetti there is just what's came out of the paper that we've just chopped to put the holes into. On the side of this little drawer thingy, you have different sizes, and it tells you in these sizes what the page widths, how many pages it would hold. Okay, so it goes from something like 4mm up all the way to, just trying to see what that one is, 16mm, which is about roughly about 5/8 of an inch. So there we go. Anyway, that's the drawer. Stick that back in the side. Okay, turn it back round. And we're going to show you the next demonstration. These little plastic combs, they're fairly cheap, they're not too expensive, but they're good when it comes to holding the pages and that together. And this gets a little bit tricky, however, if you know what you're doing, you've got to remember that the teeth, whichever way the lip goes over, and as we can see there, there's the little teeth that shows you on the back there, how they open up that way. I hope you can see that, they open up, as I say, that way there. So what we've got to do is, you've got to put this over the top here, just to get this right so that we know, that just sits over the 21 edges there. Didn't actually do that properly. Like so. But what the idea is, you see the little bottom part here of the pin, you've got to get that little plastic part over that like so, and you see it just went into every one of them there. So we now have it sitting over, I'll just show you that again because it happened quite quickly there. In the bottom part there you see all the little silver, how could you describe it, the little teeth at the bottom. You push the little black thing through and the comb through and pull it sideways, and it will catch each individual part of the comb. Now what happens is you stretch the comb out. At the back of the machine, which I should have showed you earlier, I'll just show you that just now, there is another handle there, and what you do is you pull that handle up and it stretches the teeth on the plastic comb, which will show you how that works now. So there's the comb there. If we pull, just watch this, if we pull that up, you see they start to move and pull the teeth out, you see, and that's same separated now. You can see all the teeth have all separated here. Alright, you can see I can run my fingers along just to let you see there what I'm talking about. The next thing you do is you get the paper that we punched earlier, you put it over the holes like so and pull it down. Now make sure, this is the important part, that every single individual little plastic tooth is through the hole like so. Once you've done that, now I tend to use covers and things like that, which I'll show you in a second or two, but anyway, this is just for demonstration purposes. Once you've done that, basically the handle at the back, you just push it back again slowly, back into position again, and you see it pulling back through like so, and that's it, done, that's it, it's done. Okay, so all it's left to do is slide that back up there again like so, and lift it off, just to let you see, like so. Excuse me.